Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on activities abroad with Expedia, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Expedia website or opening the Expedia app. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Things to Do section on the homepage. Enter your destination in the search bar. Select your travel dates to get relevant options. Filter activities based on your interests, such as adventure, culture, or relaxation. Take advantage of the Deals section to find discounted activities. Read through the descriptions to know what's included in each activity. Check the cancellation policy to ensure flexibility in your plans. Compare different options for similar activities to find the best deal. Look for packages that bundle activities with accommodations or flights. Utilize any promo codes or discounts available. Consider booking in advance to secure lower prices and better availability. Add your selections to your cart. Proceed to checkout when you're ready. Review your order details before finalizing the payment. Choose your payment method and enter your information. Complete the transaction and keep a digital or printed copy of your confirmation. Stay updated on any changes by checking your Expedia account. Enjoy your activities abroad and remember to share your experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.